Redesigner AI is a website that allows you to completely redesign any website. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to show you my website just as a reference. I've already redesigned this. So here I've got my ebook, Perfecting Prompts, and a few things about myself. And then we've just got a client testimonial and contact form. And yes, links to other socials as well. So this is what my website actually looks like, but then I just pasted it in. I pasted that into Redesigner AI and it's already given me a few. I'm going to check out this one first of all, and I think this makes a lot of sense. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. See, I think I do like the image of a bunch of people using AI in different ways, but I think it would probably be better to have like a hero text here. Transforming vision into reality with creative AI, I think is a good one. It's already mentioning the ebook already. So this is like nice, sleek, and pretty simple, which I quite like. And then it's still got the contact form at the bottom. So yeah, this one's pretty cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and actually check out the other one. So this was the second design it made. These are some interesting colors as well. The AI revolution awaits. Very true. So I think what I might do is I might either use this or just get inspiration from it. Right, and this is a good way you can actually get inspiration for any sort of redesign for websites. You can also include like a prompt to go with like how you want it to be redesigned. Even these links as well. These things is also like stayed there. So there's a link into my YouTube and there's a link into my Instagram. So yeah, definitely check this out. It seems like it could be quite useful. If I go back once more and we check out this final one. This is quite interesting. So yeah, it's giving me a few different color palettes. It's actually pulled an image that's already on my website from there and just added it in here, which is pretty cool. And it's even still got Perfecting Prompts in a different format, but it still looks quite aesthetic. And yeah, this is quite useful. I'm definitely going to take this into account once I start redesigning my website. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it could be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.